Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about human respiratory system because it is very important topic for the board as well as for your general study also. Okay, in the board examination too many times this question have been asked. Okay, come on guys. See, we are doing human respiratory system. Human respiratory system. Okay, in this we will see that how we breathe and how the exchange of the gases is taking place in the lungs. But only keep in the mind, in my body only lungs is only there which can float in water. Only lungs, except lungs, everything of my body part will sink in the water. Only lungs can float in the water. Why? Because there is air inside the lungs. Second point. In 1 minute, how many times I can breathe? Near about 12 to 20 times. If this number increases or decreases, then if anybody's breathing number of breathing period is more than 20 times or less than 12 times, that means the person is suffering from some disease. Okay, now come on the respiratory system. See, suppose this I have drawn. Okay, so from here this you take it. Just wait, slightly it is bent inside, then it is outside, then you will go by this way. This I am rubbing because it is too long. Now you can separate this by this way. I think you are getting this part. You are getting this part. Okay, from here you can make many branches. Many branches you can make here. Okay, from here many branches you can make. Similarly in this also you can make it. Okay, children, these are many branches are there. Now see children, here many this type of structures are there. Many such type of structure, and this is said to be alveolar sac or alveoli. It is said to be alveolar sac or alveoli. Okay, this is alveolar sac. Okay, children, now see, I can make lungs by this way. Yes, at this place there is this type of muscular structure which is said to be diaphragm. This is diaphragm. Okay, now see, this is nostril. Okay, this is the nostril. From here this is what? Nostril. This is what? Here by this way the ring of cartilage are there. Okay, this is said to be pharynx. This is larynx. Okay, except this you will see these are trachea. This part is trachea. This is bronchi, and this is bronchioles. Okay, so as the air will enter from here, so from the nostril it will come into the nasal cavity. From nasal cavity the air will come into the pharynx, then this part is larynx, then trachea. After trachea it will come into the bronchi. This is bronchi, and this is bronchioles, and at last air will come into the alveolar sac. Air will come into alveolar sac. Now see, close to the alveolar sac there are many blood vessels. Many blood vessels are there. Many blood vessels. Okay, many blood vessels are here. These are blood vessels. Many are there. I have drawn some of them. Now see, one alveolar sac I am drawing here. Check. Suppose this one alveolar sac I am trying to draw here. Check. This is one alveolar sac. As the air will come into this, see, from here I have taken, and air is entering into the alveolar sac. So in this there is what? Air. What about the atmospheric air we have taken? Air. Not only oxygen. And close to this, you will see, children, very close to this, already I have said you, there is the blood vessels, thin blood vessels which we call capillaries. Now see, in the alveolar sac, concentration of oxygen is more, and in blood vessels, concentration of oxygen is less. Okay, that means concentration is less. Oxygen's concentration, here concentration is more. So automatically by the process of diffusion, this oxygen will be transferred into this. Okay, at the same time concentration of carbon dioxide is more here, more concentration. Okay, and here concentration of carbon dioxide is less. So again by the process of diffusion, carbon dioxide will come here. Okay, now as soon as the carbon dioxide came here, so now again from here the carbon dioxide will pass. Okay, see, from here, just wait, this carbon dioxide from here it will come by this way, it will come by this way, and it will be thrown out. Carbon dioxide is coming out, and whatever the oxygen had came, that will come into the blood vessels, and this oxygen will be carried by the hemoglobin. Okay, so we can say hemoglobin is the carrier of the gases. We can say hemoglobin is what? Carrier of gas. Okay, so up to here clear. Next day or in the next video I will explain that how the hemoglobin is carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide from blood vessels to the different part of the body. Okay, thank you.